Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2013 Isuzu NPR. Stock number is 42036 if you'd like to take a look at our website. Before we jump into the walk around on this truck, we want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified as soon as we put new product on the website. We bring these trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our lease returns. We weed out the trucks we don't want and wholesale them, keeping only the best trucks for our customers to purchase. Once we've done that, we do a 150-point check on the cabs, the bodies, lift gates, brakes, tires. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC on them, test drive, clean up, and put them online for our customers to take a look at. As we said, this is a 2013 Isuzu NPR. It's a 12,000 GVW diesel. And on top of that 150-point check, we've changed the engine oil filter, fuel and air filters. The DPF filter has been cleaned, and this truck has been pre-qualified for an AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As with all low cab Ford trucks, they're very easy to get in and out of. We got a captain's chair for the driver's seat. We got a two-person bench so you can have a crew of three. And the nice thing with a low cab Ford is you got great outward visibility but upward visibility too, and not having that hood. Even though this is a 14-foot truck, if you'd have put this on a conventional cab, this truck has a lot smaller footprint. It's a whole lot more maneuverable to get around going down the road and in the parking lots, making it safer for your guys to get in and drive. It is a diesel automatic. It's got the Isuzu diesel ICE and automatic transmission in it, so it's really easy to drive. And even though this truck is a 2013, you can take a look at it. It's very well kept, cleaned up really nice. Be a nice, safe, clean ride for your guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Industrial Power has been an Isuzu dealer for well over 30 years. So we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of the Isuzu truck. A lot of times you start looking at pre-owned trucks and they're all beat up, dented up. This truck's in really good shape. It's a 14-foot Smyrna Cargo, aluminum van body. It's got really good rubber all the way around it. Like I say, the DPF filter has been serviced on this truck. This truck has a set of landscape ramps on the back of it, 2 foot back, 2 foot shorter than a lot of people's 4 foot, so it gives you a little better maneuverability getting around. It's got split ramps on it. We left one up. You can have one ramp down or both ramps down if you'd like to, depending on what kind of lawn equipment you're loading or unloading. We've got a 14 foot, it's 85 inches tall, 96 wide van body, slat lined, wood floor, aluminum roof with a nice LED dome light. Nice enough to leave the weed eater and blower racks in here. It's got a set of shelves we can either leave in there or take out depending on what you want. Some more racks over here, but the body's in really, really nice shape in here. Set up ready to start hitting the lawns. A lot of people come into Industrial Power just looking for a delivery truck. They really don't know what they want sometimes. We have the big trucks, the small delivery trucks, but as you can see here, we have some vocational trucks also. Even though this truck is in really, really good shape, we can still take and wrap the body in the cab if you'd like, with your name, phone numbers, designs, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're running down the road. So we say you got a really nice Isuzu NPR diesel, pre-qualified for the extended warranty, fully serviced, ready to go. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, or jump onto our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe and notification bell. That way you're getting the latest updated machinery that we're putting online. If you'll stick with us for a second, we're going to tilt the cab on this truck, start it up, do a little more intimate walk around so you can get a nice close-up look at it. And as always, we appreciate your time.